And we're now looking at the statistics for the second set. Lyceum with 10 attack points, FEU with 15. Blocking points, we can see lamang na lamang talagang Lyceum 5 block points against 1 of FEU. Service aces 4, and this is courtesy of Irish Morada. And in terms of errors, pantay na sila ngayong partner, 5 errors each for the second set.
That's right, both teams doing a good job at limiting their errors. And this third set is brought to you by Yehey.com, our official online media partner. Pinoy to pre.
Ang ganda ng pagkakasabi mo, partner.
Ganun talaga. Pinoy. Pinoy talaga. Yehey.com yan. Babalo. Back
Running
set.
attack. Net violation error being called on FEU.
This time, Vivas gets called for that net violation. And that gives Lyceum the first point of this third set. Vivas, again, si Boto, basta nasa harap talaga itong si Bev Boto. Alam mo, namimiss ko kay Bev Boto?
Ano yun?
Dalawa eh.
Pili ko alam ko yan, pero sige.
Dalawa, yung bangs ni Bev Boto, at saka yung tayo niya na pang Miss Universe na gano'n, di ba?
She really became famous after that, ha?
Hindi lang famous, maraming nagalit sa kanya. Yung mga fans ng mga kalaban, tuwing nagpo-post siya nung parang pang binibining Pilipinas siya na post.
But then, yung mga, every time she does that, it's really a time when she has the right to,
That's right.
You know? Because she really makes those excellent points. Usually, yung mga malalakas na palo niya
Yung
yun.
mga running spike na malakas, block. Saka yung bangs niya, wala ngayon yung bangs nito si Bev Boto. FEU on top here in the third, 2-1. Morada serving. Short serve coming from Morada. Oh, that's a good save. Let's see if they call 4 touches. And Morada hitting it straight into the net. Nanggigigil pa rin, ano, itong si Morada talagang...
Well, she was a little bit off sa timing then with that one.
Bev Boto with a good serve. Tolentino.
She didn't really have a good hold of the ball at that time. Yeah, went outside.
That was called outside by our linesman. Bev Boto again with a good serve. This time going to Morada.
Gonzalez off the block.
With that open hit.
You know, with her small frame, you really can't imagine na makakapalo siya ng ganyang kalakas.
Yeah.
Looking at number 4, that's Gonzalez.
Saka bumibitin sa area itong si Gonzalez, eh, no? Talagang may hang time. Vivas with a good serve. Dalia Cruz gets blocked, and last touch on Harin. FEU on top, just by 1. Here in the early goings of this third set, 4-3. Vivas serving.
Good service.
Off the hands of Tolentino.
Gonzalez.
De La Peña, nakaabang na sa palo ni Gonzalez.
Net violation error, crossing violation error called on Lyceum against Grace Babalo.
That's right. Ang talas naman ng mata ng referee natin, ano? Nakita pa yung paa ni Babalo na lumus sa linya. Lumagpas pala sa linya. Babalo, this time, poor set. Oh, what a spike! Oh, wow, that deserves a replay. Sasatin.
I thought that the ball won't go through the net. Let's take a look at that again.
Tama naman ang spike na to.
Right.
Pataas na nga. Tumama sa net.
Hindi pa nakuha.
Tatamaan sa braso itong si Cabanag.
Well, yan yung sinasabi ko sa partner. Yung net na yan talaga minsan, basta tumama ang bola dyan, mahirap na mabasa yung direksyon ng bola eh.
Kumbaga si Cabanag nag-aantay ng
Nag-aantay na siya, she knew where the ball will land, but then tumama sa net, nag-iba ng direksyon.
Nag-aantay na ng grasya, biglang nang tumama, sa iba bumagsak yung grasya. Napasama pa tuloy. Anyway, back into the game. FEU on top by 1, but with that spike, that is called outside.
They were calling for a touch from the block, but the referee said, malinis na malinis.
We're tied at 5 here in the third set.
So remember, this is one set apiece.
Artates, good serve. Cabana gustong bumawi.
Down the line spike.
Nice move.
And she was
Cabana.
facing the other side, ah.
If you're a blocker, you'd
think that she would go
definitely,
cross court, but then she changed the direction and instead went down the line.
Ang tawag doon yung mga no-look shot eh. Iba yung direksyon ng kung saan ka nakatingin sa biglang kakabigin mo sa
Kakabigin
kabila.
mo.
This time, service errors hounding FEU. Peña will be replacing Babalo, and I think it is Satsatin who will be setting for Lyceum.
This is one advantage that Lyceum has. You know, they have more variation, or I think they're more flexible with the people they put inside. Like Satsatin can be a setter and can be a spiker.
Yeah.
So they can convert.
Gonzalez, dug up by Harin. See, ito na si Satsatin ang nagsiset. And itong si Harin, diniretso po sa net.
So I think dapat yung mga set nila would not be too high. You know,
Yeah.
from based on observation, for what I can see, their attacks are more effective pagka hindi masyadong mataas ang set ng bola.
FEU on top by 1. Gonzalez with a good serve. Lyceum having some difficulty in receiving that serve. Cabanag!
Trying that once again, but this time goes outside.
Oo nga naman, you can't blame her. She was very successful in her first attempt. Subukan natin ng minsan, pero hindi na pinagbigyan ng linya, no? Lumabas na yung
Lumabas
palo.
na this time.
We're tied at 7 with Dalia Cruz, their guest player, serving. Dug up by Gonzalez. Morada!
Blocked. Good coverage.
Ayan, nabuhay po ang bola. Binigay kay Bev Boto. Another free ball for Lyceum. It is Harin. Going cross court, hitting Morada.